Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can sign in or sign out of Apple TV home sharing on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in Settings, scroll down and then tap on Apple TV. Next, in here, scroll down to the bottom. And in the home sharing section, tap on your Apple ID account. In here, tap on sign out, and this will allow you to sign out of home sharing. If you need to sign in, just tap on the sign in button, and then you can use the Apple ID that you already have signed in with iCloud, or you can choose a different or other Apple ID. So I'm going to choose sign in with the Apple ID account that I have already signed in. And when you tap on sign in, just wait for a moment. You can see it doesn't show anything, but just wait for a few moments and it will show your Apple ID with the account that you have signed in. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.